So students, today we will be starting the chapter we have already explained in the previous class. I have already explained you with the help of practical chapter 2. Okay, and our topic of the chapter is more about Windows 7. And today we will be doing revision. Okay, and the next class I'll be giving you the question answers. So let's start. Okay. So I'll start with some questions. Okay. I'll be starting with some questions. My explanation today, I'll be starting with some questions. Is that what is hardware and software? First part. Okay. So the answer is okay. Anything you can touch from your hand. Okay. Like computer, keyboard you can touch, mouse you can touch. Yes or no? Keyboard screen you can touch. This is what hardware. And what is software? This Zoom application you are using, no? You are using Zoom application. Yes or no? With the Zoom and the classroom.live, you are doing the classes. This is a software. Can you touch the Zoom? Can you touch the Zoom application? No, we cannot touch the Zoom application. So this is what software. Hardware we can touch. Okay, hardware is very hard, whereas software is soft. We cannot touch it. Okay, in the simple definition I told you, there are two things, that is hardware and the software. Both are combined together and help us the computer to run. Okay, then next what I'm saying, in the previous class we have already known about the hardware and the software, but in this chapter we are going to learn more about the softwares. Okay, then there are different, you have often seen in the when you are doing your computer on. Okay, when you do your computer on, what you will see that the Windows screen will be coming. Okay, Windows screen will be coming. Why? What does it mean? When the Windows screen come, what does it mean? It is a software. Okay, Windows software. Yes or no? It is a Windows software. So, suppose somebody has Apple laptop. Somebody has. Okay, Apple laptops are very costly. Yes or no? Apple laptops are very costly. So somebody has Apple laptop. So they are now when they will on their laptop, that time Apple symbol will come in. Yes or no? Apple symbol will be coming. That is Mac. That is called Mac. We are using Windows. They are using Mac. Mac. Okay, Mac software. Okay, Mac iOS software they're using. So there are different kinds of softwares we are having. Like for example, one more example I'll say you is that when you are putting on your mobile phone, okay, you will see one Android is coming, like robot type is coming. No, yes or no? You'll see one robot. When you switch off your mobile phone and again you switch on, then you will see that one robot you will see. Yes or no? What is the robot is doing? Is robot is trying to start our computer or sorry mobile phone. Yes or no? The robot is trying to start our mobile phone. So that is the operating system. We are having in our mobile phone we are having Android. Okay, whereas in the computer you are using Windows. Somebody has Mac iOS software application. We have okay different kind of applications we have. Again, in the computer, if you say there are different local disks, you can say. Okay, like for example, you will find the local disks. I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you. You'll find the local disks. Like for example, you see here, you'll find the local disks. See here, then you will find the local disk C, then the local disk E, then the local disk F. Okay, you can see the different kinds of local disks here. Yes or no? So this is what local disk is there. Local disk C, local disk E, local disk F is there. Yes or no? And what is if you go in to the local disk C, then you will find different applications or what called folders will find. Yes. And if you go in local disk CE, then different you can say different this what to call all the folders which are there. Different kind of folders you can find here. You can see in the page number 11 and page number 12 the same. Page number 11 of the book and the page number 12 you see, then you will find this all. Okay, page number 11 and 12 you see, then you will find. Okay, and so what I was saying is that setting the wallpaper and the screensaver. You will find my wallpaper and the screensaver. I am already there, right? in the wallpaper and the screensaver of mine, you can find me only there. Now, how to set the wallpaper or the screensaver? The question is this. It is a very simple, okay? If you have laptop in your house or desktop in your house, to set the wallpaper and the screensaver is very simple. First of all, I'll be showing you, suppose you see, I want this photo as a wallpaper. Presently, I don't have this photo, okay? Presently, my photo wallpaper is another. I am only there with my mother, okay? I am only there with my mother. Presently, my wallpaper is another, okay? So, suppose I want to give this photo, okay? I will do right click here, okay? I'll be doing right click here. Then you will find the different options here. You see this one, you can see here, set as desktop background. Came no? They set as desktop background. So to click this one. Now you go and see this one. Now you can find the whatever the desktop background I have selected, that one only came. Okay, whatever the desktop background I have selected, that one only came. So this is how it is a very simple to change the desktop background. But it is told here that how to change the setting. Go to the setting. I'll be typing here the settings. Okay, then you can go to the display here. You will find the display here, or if you don't find, you can search the in the bar also you can search. Okay, devices you go, then you go to the display. I'll be typing here display. Then you see here, I'll be clicking on here. From here, I can change any kind of background I want. Okay, from here I can change. Okay, so this is all about. Okay, so I'll be closing this one. So, so you understood that the shortcut I have showed you. There is a control panel also. If I go here, then you can find the control panel. So if you want to see the control panel, I'll be showing you the control panel. So go to the control panel. What is control panel? Control panel controls all the functions of the computer. Okay, this is control panel. Control panel controls all the functions of the computer. You can see all the control panel here. Okay, and control panel controls all the functions of the computer. Okay, so this is what control panel. With the help of control panel, you can color management, you can do, you can device management, you can do file history, you can check internet option, you can check network and sharing center, you can check recovery, you can check. Okay, sound you can check. So then you can say synchronizing centers is there. Okay, so different kind of settings which are there, you can check there in the control panel. Like for example, power option, if I go, then you can see here that my battery is okay, everything is okay. Okay, battery is okay, everything is okay here. Okay, change the when sleeps. This one, if I go, then you can see here my if I don't use the computer for the long time, like 20 minutes, I can raise also this one. I can change here. Then after the same, the changes I will do. Okay, this is all about the simple. It is very simple. I'll be stopping my share. Okay. So what I was saying that it is chapter from the page number 12 you see, then I'm presently using Windows 10 here. Okay, again I'm repeating, I'm using Windows 10, but in here it is shown Windows 7. In the page number 12 you can see, and this symbol, it already signifies that this is a Windows 7. Okay, you can check here, this one Windows 7 it is. Okay, I'll be taking more near, then you can check here that it is Windows 7. Okay, so in here it is what it is written, different setting of the wallpaper. It is in here the setting is little bit different. Okay, it is in here the setting will be little bit different. Then next you will find the that to save the screensaver. I will show you this one already. Now how to open a folder, how to open a folder. I'll show you how to open a folder. Okay, so you look on your screen and you see here how to open a folder. Okay, I'll be closing this one, and I'll be closing this one. I'll be showing you how to open a folder. Okay, suppose I want to open a folder. Do the this one new you go. Okay, click go on the new. Okay, then folder option you will find here. You can find the folder option here. Click on the folder. You see the folder came. Okay, see the folder came, right? This one folder you can see. Now name of the folder I will give class 4, class 4 computer. Okay, class 4 computer. I have given the name of the folder class 4 computer. You can see here, right? So name of the folder you can find there, class 4 computer. So this is what about how to make a new folder. If I open this folder, you can find nothing is there, right? In the folder, nothing you will find. Then go to the new, okay, again folder you can make here. Okay, so in, suppose, then again if I open, then again right click you do, go to the new, okay, then click here, again you can find in. Suppose I'm giving the name, you can give your name also if you want. Okay, now suppose how to copy the folder. Okay, how to make the folder, how to copy the folder. Okay, now how to now I'll show you how to copy. Okay, so you see how to copy and cut. Suppose I want to take this one folder to the another place, then go and cut here, cut option you will find here, cut you click. Okay, then you just close this folder. Okay, and you want to paste this folder where? Suppose I want to paste this folder into the here. Okay, control V I have done. You can see this one that the folder came in here. Okay, you can find the folder in here. Okay, so from this is how to cut and paste. Suppose I want to paste cut this one, then how I'll cut? Inside you can find nothing. Okay, inside you can find nothing. I'll just close this one. I'll just close this one, then I will delete this one and I'll show you once again. You see, you'll not find the paste here. Okay, so this one I want to take in that place on the screen. Just click on this one time, then cut you do cut. Okay, you want to paste here, do right click here, then you will find the paste. Yes, to click on that, you can find the paste here. Okay, you see that folder which I have opened in the screen that came in here. Okay, you can find here. Okay, this is the way to do. So this is very simple. How to create the folder, how to open the files and folder is a very simple. Copying and moving also I have shown you how to copy. Suppose I want to create the same folder like this, then you do this one. Copy you do. Okay, copying a folder means that folder will be there also. I'll be pasting here. You see this folder, I and in folder is here also. I and in folder is here also. Means two both folder will do come. Inside one more, if I paste here, inside one more folder will come. You see, again will come in. If I open this one, again paste I will do. See, again in came. Now in folder is coming on. You can name it anything if you want. Okay. So you can name it anything you want. Now copying is over. So deleting the folder or renaming it, I have told there is a very simple method is there. Deleting a folder or renaming it is a very simple method is there. I will show you the simple thing only. Suppose this folder, okay, this I have made. I will click once. Okay, I want to change. Then I can click one time only. You click on the name one time only. Click like on the name one time only. You click. Now I can change. Or do right click. Okay, go in the down and you will find the rename here. Do right click, go in the down and you will find the rename here. Do rename. You see, okay, you can see here it is rename is there. Then I can give anything like, for example, you can say I will give it Saint Teresa. The name of the school I'll give Saint Teresa. Okay, you can find this one in the Saint Teresa is there, right? This one, yes, you have done circle, that is good. Okay, so inside that, if I want to delete, then click on this. Okay, click on this, then delete you will find here, then delete you do. Okay, now it is deleted. Now renaming the file and folder I have showed you. So students, I have completed my explanation. Okay, this is all about our revision was there. So I hope that you understood my revision part also. So bye bye everyone.